What if I told you the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just coming soon, it's basically here? We already knew March was the target. Retail box leaks were floating around, warehouse sightings were popping up, inventory was reportedly sitting in stores. The device itself was never the mystery. The only thing missing was the exact date. And now, thanks to PhotoRabs, we finally have it. March 26th, 2026, a Thursday. And if you followed DJI long enough, you know that timing is not random. In this video, we're breaking down what that launch date means, what the latest hands-on details reveal, and why March might turn into a full-blown pocket camera showdown. DJI loves Thursday announcements. It gives tech media a full day to push coverage before the weekend. Social buzz builds, retailers capitalize. It's a calculated rhythm. With reports suggesting physical stock is already sitting in retail channels, the Pocket 4 doesn't feel like a distant announcement. It feels like a product waiting for a green light. If DJI follows its usual playbook, mid-March teaser posts should start appearing soon, and once that teaser engine starts, full specs rarely stay secret for long. So, what do we actually know beyond the date? That leaked hands-on clip made waves, but here's the short version. The Pocket 4 appears to feature a slightly longer gimbal arm. That's subtle but important. A longer arm can improve stabilization and framing flexibility. There also appear to be two additional physical buttons, likely one dedicated to zoom and another customizable function key. That's a smart move. Creators have been asking for quicker tactile access instead of digging through touch menus. The grip also looks more textured. That sounds minor, but one-handed control is the entire philosophy of this product line. Better grip equals better real-world usability. Now here's the LED conversation. It looks like there's an optional LED fill light accessory rather than a fully integrated light on every unit. That means bundles may vary. Smart strategy. Give flexibility without forcing cost onto everyone. Specs are one thing. Handling? That's where the Pocket series lives or dies. Now here's where things get interesting, because just as we're getting comfortable with the Pocket 4 timeline, Insta360 Luna steps into the frame. A hands-on video shared by Igor Bogdanov shifted the conversation fast. First thing people noticed? The lower section of the Luna looks almost detachable. It doesn't blend seamlessly into the body. It resembles a swappable module, possibly even a battery unit. You know what's funny? When a device looks slightly thicker than expected, that usually means something serious is hiding inside. Bigger battery, better thermals, stronger processing. And there are whispers of a dual processor setup. If that's true, that extra bulk makes sense. There's also been speculation about a rotating screen on the Luna, but based on visible shots, there's no hinge, no mechanical cue, no bracket, nothing that clearly indicates rotation. Compare that to the Pocket 3, where the rotating mechanism was obvious. The Luna screen appears flush and fully integrated. Below it sit two long horizontal pill-shaped buttons. That's a lot of tactile control in a compact body. Notice the trend here? Both DJI and Insta360 are moving away from pure touchscreen dependency. Physical buttons are making a comeback in compact cameras. That's not nostalgia, that's usability. So what do we know? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is reportedly launching March 26th. Retail stock appears ready, hardware tweaks focus on control and stabilization, optional accessories expand flexibility. At the same time, Insta360 Luna is positioning itself as something more ambitious, possibly modular, possibly more powerful under the hood. Here's where the debate gets juicy. Do you prefer DJI's safe, polished evolution, or are you more curious about whatever Luna is trying to become? On paper, Pocket 4 feels refined, Luna feels experimental, and sometimes experimental wins. So let me ask you this, if both launch around the same time, which one are you paying attention to first? The trusted stability of DJI or the wildcard energy of Insta360? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want instant updates as soon as official teasers start dropping, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because March 26th is close, and this pocket camera battle might be bigger than we expected.